I don't think you determine what your purpose is. I think you discover what your purpose is. There's a difference. Determining indicates deciding. And I don't think you decide. I think if you go about it the right way, you discover it. Like there's some people that should be painting all day. They're great artists. I think Michelangelo was obviously a great artist, a great sculptor. I mean, that was his purpose in his life. Well, I believe my purpose is doing what I'm doing. Your purpose is why you get out of bed in the morning. Do you know why you get up? Well, most people say, well, it's to go to work. Well, that'd be a good reason to stay in bed. You know, you say, well, everybody's doing it. That'd be another reason to stay in bed. If you're ever doing what everybody's doing, you're probably going in the wrong direction. Your purpose is your reason for living. What you want to do is sit down and maybe take a pen and a pad and then ask yourself, what do I really love doing? Now, you may have to spend a while at this. You might get up an hour early every morning and go sit under a tree somewhere if you're in a nice climate, or pick a favorite chair, someplace where you're not going to be disturbed, and totally relax and say, if I could spend my life doing something, what do I really love doing? Now, since you don't ask yourself that question every day, it might take a while for this answer to come to the surface. But it comes to your consciousness. And it may take a while. You may have to do this every morning for 3 months.
I started looking for the so-called secret of success when I was 12 years old. I read every book I could find on the subject. I studied psychology and sociology. I studied the great religions of the world, and I read the world's greatest philosophers. And all of a sudden, many years later, I realized that in the hundreds of lives I'd studied, in the countless books I'd read, a plain and simple truth had kept appearing. It's believed that no one can learn anything until he or she is ready for it, and apparently I was finally ready, in my late 20s, to finally see for the first time the secret I had searched for so long. It was simply this: we become what we think about. You see, you are at this moment the living embodiment of the sum total of your thoughts to this point in your life. You can be nothing else. Similarly, 5 years from now, you'll be the sum total of your thoughts to that point in time. But you can control your thoughts. You can decide upon that on which you wish to concentrate, about what you think about from this point forward, and you will become that. You will realize that goal as sure as anything on earth can be sure. That's why having a goal toward which to work is so very important. It gives our minds a focus and our lives direction. By thinking every morning, every night, and as many times during the day as you can about this exciting single goal we've established for ourselves, we actually begin moving toward it and bringing it toward us. When we concentrate our thinking, it's like taking a river that's twisting and turning and meandering all over the countryside and putting it into a straight, smooth channel. Now it has power, direction, economy, speed.
One step we can take in discovering and developing our purpose is to develop a growth mindset. Constantly evolving and becoming a better version of yourself allows you to further identify identify your values and goals and stick to those goals throughout time. Having a growth mindset will also help you accept challenges and opportunities that come your way, as well as persevere through the hardest times. Another step we can take to further define our purpose is to create a vision statement. A personal vision statement can help us manage stress and also add balance to our life. It serves as a roadmap to your purpose by identifying what truly matters to you. When crafting your vision statement, make sure to add your values and what is important to you in life, and don't just keep it limited to financial and monetary success. Also put in what your goals are as far as family life and health.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray
for yourself as well. Another way we can further strengthen our purpose is to give back. Contribution is a way that we can add meaning to our life and truly make an impact on the world around us. Remember that by helping others, you're also helping yourself. Another step we can take to solidify our purpose is to practice gratitude on a daily basis. Experiments in pro-sociality determined that being in a state of gratitude and altruism added to meaning and fulfillment in one's life. Another study discovered that the parts of the brain that are activated when we're feeling gratitude are also the same that are activated during doing acts of kindness and giving back. Cultivating gratitude can also help us get through the tough times in life, because when your mind is filled with gratitude, it can't be filled with anything else. It can't be filled with negative thoughts if all there is thoughts of gratitude. Another step we can take in fulfilling our purpose is to turn our pain into purpose. We all face difficulties in life. Going through these obstacles are what shape our perspective and build strength that help us further our purpose and accomplishment in life. Many people search for assistance when going through major life changes. Some people later find that it's their calling to help others go through the same struggles that they experience themselves. These people find fulfillment in working with people directly, such as a life coach or social worker, and some people even work indirectly with the arts like writing, painting, and music. Having a positive impact on others' lives and allowing them to soak in the knowledge that you gained when going through your own challenges can give you true meaning and fulfillment in life. Another step we can take to actively solidify our purpose and fulfill our life meaning is to become part of a community. Because finding a purpose has to do with our connection with others, becoming a part of a group or starting your own group can help you fulfill your purpose in life. When you discover your own purpose, you'll quickly find that there's others out there that share the same passions, interests, and values as you do. Joining or starting a community will help you feel connected with Others as you all work towards a similar goal. Another crucial step to solidifying our purpose and meaning in life is to practice self-acceptance. Being self-aware and accepting yourself for who you are, and also accepting your limitations for what they are, will help you be more accepting of yourself during the hard times as you go through challenges. When you accept yourself completely, you're more likely to give your all in any given situation. This can lead to a stronger sense of connection because the more you're self-aware about yourself, the more you see yourself in others. We all can benefit by taking time to solidify and clarify our purpose in life. Backing this with actions that align with our purpose will help us lead a more fulfilling life.